Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make your own coffee table using scrap and discarded materials from an electric stand fans. Here are 5 easy steps for you to follow. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell sign to get notified on my next videos. Steps 1. Prepare the board and trace the round base of the electric fan stand onto it. Two. After tracing, cut the board with a saw on all sides to make it round. Three. Smoothen all the sides of the board with sandpaper or angle grinder. Always wear proper protective or safety gears when using power tools. Four. Clean the board and paint it with black. When using spray paints, make sure you are on a well-ventilated area and wear face mask to avoid inhaling harmful vapors. 5. When paint is dry, attach the board with screws into the electric fan base and connect the two on it. And voila, you have your DIY coffee table. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts on comments below. Love and peace everyone.